Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am again in front of you with the lecture of class 9th. In the lecture of class 9th, I will solve 12.2 exercise. I will do first and second question of this exercise. So what is the first question? A park is in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD, has angle C is equals to 90 degree, AP is equals to 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? So first of all you have to make the diagram. Okay, on the basis of this we have to make the diagram. Angle C is 90 degree. Okay, so I have taken as C. I will take it as D, then B, then A. According to the measurement I will draw the lines. CD is equals to 5 meter and AB is greater than 9. So I will take this like this. This is A is 12 meter, the AB is equals to 12 meter, 9 meter and BC is 12 and CD is 5, AD is 8 meter. This is the diagram and you have to find the area which is occupied by this diagram. So you will take, it is 90 degree given. So meet the diagonal. I will find this BD using these two triangles. When you want to find the area of quadrilateral, the area of quadrilateral is equals to the area of triangle BCD and area of triangle ABD. For this, I will find first of all I will find the area of BCD. The solution will come with area of triangle BCD. I will take half base into altitude because it is a right angle triangle. 5 is base and BC is altitude. Half base is 5, altitude is 12, 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30 meters square. Okay, now come to this. For this triangle, it is not a right angle triangle. We have to find the area by using Heron's formula. For finding the area by Heron formula, we need 3 sides, but 2 sides are given. We will find the side third by using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle BCD, BD square is equals to BC square plus CD square, right? What is the value of BC square? That is 12 square plus 5 square. That is 144 plus 25. 169. This BD square is converted into root. It will come into the square root, that is 13 meter. So this is the side is 13 meter. Measurement. Now I will take the area by using Heron formula. In triangle ABD, S is equals to sum of three sides. S is equals to 9 plus 8 plus 13. Divide by 2. 8 and 8, 16 and 17 and 13. That is 10, 30 by 2. After cancellation we will have 15 meter. Now area of triangle ABD. What is the formula? That is S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That is equals to under root of S means 15, 15 minus 9, 15 minus 8 and 15 minus third one is 13. Take the subtraction. 15 into 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that is 6. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that is 7. Now come to the term, there is 7, 2 after subtraction. Now again take the factorization. 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 2. That terms which are in pair, I will rub from this side. BCD is equals to 30 centimeter. I will rub from this side. After rubbing, we have the next term that will equals to after factorization I will take 5. This is 5 and 7 remains in the root and 3 and 2 comes in pair and it come outside the under root. This is equals to 5 sevens are 35. 3 twos are 6 root 35 meter square. I will find the value of root 35. How you can find 35? 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36. So 5 5s are 25. It will come in 10, 5 and 5 25 with double zero and the point is with it. 25 nines are 225, 25 nines are. It comes in 225. It is 2 5. 5 and 5, it will equals to 5 and 5 10. I will take the 9 numbers 5 and 5 10. The square root will be find out by adding same number in between this. So 10 into 9, that will equals to 9 9s are 81, 9 1s are 9. So I will take 9 here. This is 981. This is 9 1 and 0. The double zero again. When I take it, this number is 9, 9 and 9, that is 118, 1, that will take 1, it will equals to 5, 6 into 5.91. Now, I will multiply with the 6, same number with 6, how you can find the value of the other area, that is 591, 5.91 into 6, 6, 54, and 35, that is 35.46 meters square. Now area of quadrilateral ABCD. Area of quadrilateral ABCD. What is the area? Area of quadrilateral ABCD, that is equals to area of BCD plus area of ABD, right? Area of BCD is 30 meters square and it will equals to 35 plus 46 meters square. After adding these two, 30 and 35.46, that is 65.46 meters square. So this is the way to find the question number 1. Take two triangles, do the separate area and then add both of these to find the area of quadrilateral. Now come to the second question. Now come to the question number 2. Find the area of quadrilateral in which these measurements are given. You have to find the area of that quadrilateral. First of all, make the diagram of quadrilateral ABCD. This is a rough sketch of the quadrilateral. I will only write the measurements. AB is equals to 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. BC is equals to 4 centimeter. And CD is equals to 4 centimeter. So I will take it as a large number like this. Like this, so that it becomes CD. This is CD and this is BC is equals to 4 centimeter and AD is equals to 5 centimeter. AD is equals to 5. AC, that is this value, AC is equals to 5 centimeter. You have to find the area of this quadrilateral. How you can find the area? Area of this quadrilateral is area of ABC plus area of ADC. Okay, the area of, before writing this question, before, area of ABCD is equals to area of ABC plus area of ACD. Now we need to find these two areas and then add these two. We will get the area of ABCD, that is the quadrilateral. For finding in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, S is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 2. That is the sum of these three sides. That is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 by 2. After cancellation you will get 6 centimeter. Now area of triangle ABC, that is under root of S, S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That will equals to, take S is 6, 6 minus 3, 6 minus 4 and 6 minus 5. Then put the values. After subtracting, we will get 3, 2 and 1. That is 3 2s are 6. 6 into 6, that is 6 meter centimeter square. This is the area of ABC. Now come to the area of ACD. Here S dash, you can write it as S dash, that is equals to 5 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2. That will equals to 5 and 5 10 and 4 14 divided by 2. After cancellation we will get 7 centimeter. Now for finding the area I will write 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter in this place, and I will rub from the low side to find the area of, for finding the area of triangle ACD. Okay, in triangle ACD, when we find the area ACD, the area is equals to area of triangle ACD, that is equals to under root of S dash minus A, S dash minus B and S dash minus C. And what is S dash? That is 7. 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5 and 7 minus 4. What is the next step? That is 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 comes in pair, come out, and 7 3s are 21. Now do the square root of 21. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. So 4 4s are 16. 16 and this comes in 5. 5 4 and 4 8. We will take dot for decimal and this comes in 500. And what is the 8 6 are? 6 6 are 36. 52. It comes in greater portion. 6 6 are 36. This is 501 more than 500. So I will take 85. 85 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 42. I will check again. 6 6 are 36. This is 516. This is 85. 5s are 425. So I will take 5. 5 as a 425. I will find the square root up to only one decimal place. No need to do further. So I will take the value 4.5 here. I will look from this side. 4.5. 4.5 is, if you want to do further, it will equals to 5. 5 and 7, then carry out 2. 5 and 5 10, that is 90. If you want to take 90, 7, 8, I will do with 8. 8 is a 64. 72 with 8. So I will take it 8. So 4 5. 2 into 4.58. So I will multiply it. 4.58 into 2. 4 to 8 2s are 16. 5 2s are 10 and 1. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. So that is 9.16 meter centimeter square. So I will take centimeter square. This is the area of ACD. Now I will put here to find the area of quadrilateral, that is 9.16 centimeter square. To find the area, I will put the value of these two areas in this. If for finding the area of quadrilateral in this equation which we have written in starting, this is 6 and this is 9.16. Now I will add these two, 9.16 and 9.16 and 6. So after adding 15, so 15.16 is the area of this quadrilateral. Okay, so this is the way to find the area of quadrilateral. Keep in your mind, when you find the area of the quadrilateral, you will check, is it a right angle triangle? If it is a right angle triangle, use half base into altitude. It makes the it takes less time as compared to the Heron's formula. If it is not possible to find the area by using half base into altitude, so go through with Heron's formula. Okay, do the practice of these type of questions. Thank you.